Beautiful afternoon and a cup of coffee in a hilltop cafe in Winterberg. What's the story behind it? Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Today is Sunday and we are going to go out somewhere, maybe at Winterberg or something. One of the friend has just passed his driving test and he wanted us to join with him for his driving practice. So hopefully we'll return back safe. Let's see how it goes. See you in a while. This is yoga. This is Ken. And where are we going?
I don't know
No idea.
where the car takes us.
Where will you take us? Do you have the GPS map or something?
Is there?
Okay, then let's start. Can you take the drone? So, by the grace of Almighty, we have reached safely. Yoga is, I think, pretty good driver now.
Soon you are having a big family and then you have to take care of the turns.
So, Yoga, how are you feeling now?
Yeah, feeling very good. It's like
On curvy roads.
it's like adventure drive.
So the idea was that we will let Yoga drive and get him some experience, but the bonus point is that we got some event going on in Winterberg,
Yeah.
which is
Also,
a
some
pleasure.
shops are open today.
Yeah, this is also unusual, right?
Yeah.
So
And,
this
we have-
special Sunday.
Yeah, and yoga's party because of
Yes.
recently
Yes, it's my party.
Yeah, Yoga Street. So we're looking for food right now. Chances are very low that we'll find anything halal here. So we'll go vegetarian. Vegetarian is okay.
You have prawn also there.
Prawns? I was thinking more like a fish fillet.
Okay.
See, we are come at an Italian place, so I said might as well order something which they are local to them. So lasagna.
I ordered vegetarian pizza.
This guy is happy to have his meal. Now we are heading back to the car. Gonna find some place to fly the bird.
Like
No,
movement
no. It's only the speed. So you have two joysticks. One controls the altitude up down. One controls backward, forward, and spin. So this is how you remove the lens, and this is the ND16. Oh, so compass has kept.
Hey, yoga, the cat is coming.
Come from here, we make a drone shot. So you see, this is the sign which says you shouldn't go there, and Ken is there. And he stopped there as if he's challenging the authority somehow. So in order to be safe on the way back, we decided to have coffee and make sure Yoga has coffee. We had the coffee
Yeah.
thanks to Yoga.
Refresher.
Can also look sleepy now. Luckily, he doesn't have to drive.
I'm not sleepy now. Yes. I am ready to go.
How was it?
Good.
Good gemacht.
Good
Good
gemacht.
The parking, you can see now the line is in between the car. Oh man.
So finally, we have reached healthy and in one piece. Thankfully to Yoga, he is a very cautious driver. Maybe we can make some more trips like that, where I sit only on the on the back seat and enjoy the ride. So till next time, bye bye.